Not only are green beans a nice, crunchy, low-calorie food, but also they provide many key nutrients. Young, tender green beans are a good source of vitamin C, dietary fiber, folate, and vitamin K. Now let's watch them grow. Green beans might also be called French beans, string beans, snap beans, or the French name harec. In addition to many names, there are many varieties and colors. Here are 3 varieties, which are all bush beans rather than pole beans. Pole beans typically need to climb or be supported as they grow. These green beans have whitish seeds. The yellow or wax beans have black seeds, and the purple or burgundy beans have brown seeds. A general rule of thumb is to plant seeds as deep as the seed is long. Therefore, these bean seeds should be planted between 1/2 inch and 1 inch deep in potting soil or directly into the soil. We have used a small pot. In about 10 days, the sprout emerges. It might even have a bit of the seed jacket stuck to those first leaves. The sprout is now able to collect energy from the sun to power its growth even further. It still needs water and sunshine regularly. Once the sprout has become a seedling, or has 4 or more leaves, it can be transplanted into a larger pot or into the ground, weather permitting. Let's go back to the seed packet to see that these plants need to be spaced at least 6 inches apart. It also says that they don't like frost. In hotter climates, the season peaks in June, but here in Southern California, we can harvest through August, maybe even September. This home gardener is going to plant the seedling. He clears the mulch and digs a hole about as big as the container the seedling has been growing in. To get the seedling out, he tips the container and gives it a little knock to loosen the seedling from the sides of the container. He loosens or teases the roots that had reached the bottom of the container before putting the plant roots down into the hole. Now it's time for water. It's essential for the seedling to grow and keep it from being shocked by the move from container to soil. This home gardener uses cut turf or lawn grass as mulch in his vegetable garden to sustain healthy, nutritious soil. As the plant continues to grow, the stems grow longer. Stems are the stalks that support leaves, flowers, and fruits. More leaves are grown, and leaves are in charge of producing the food for the plant through photosynthesis. During photosynthesis in green plants, light energy from the sun is captured and used to convert water, carbon dioxide, and minerals into oxygen and energy-rich organic compounds. The energy-rich compounds are food for the plant, and the oxygen is released into the air. Once well established, flowers begin to bloom. For these different varieties, the flowers reflect the colors that the beans will ultimately be. Yellow flowers, yellow beans. Purple flowers, purple beans. As the flowers fade, in the same spot the bean begins to grow. Around here, we say once the bean is as long as your finger, pick it. This is because picking the beans will stimulate the plant to grow more flowers and ultimately more beans. Beans can be eaten fresh, blanched, added to salads, sautéed, roasted, or even pickled. Remember, fresh beans are a great source of fiber, vitamin C, and many other nutrients. Looking for recipes? Try visiting USDA and searching green beans. Additionally, there's activities for kids here too. Thanks for joining me today as we explore fresh beans. For more garden-based learning opportunities, visit harec.ucanr.edu.